going to pull down the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
After the fire alarm.
Attention everybody. There was no fire in the school building. Someone pulled down the fire alarm when there's no fire. Whoever that is, report to my office right now. So Dark Bubble Scrubbies Bowser Jr., were you the one that pulled down the fire alarm?
Yes. I was the one that pulled down the fire alarm. And I did it as a joke. Ha 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 ha.
Dark Bubble Scrubbies Bowser Jr. How dare you pull down the fire alarm for a joke? Plus, Dark Bubble Scrubbies Bowser Jr. That is not funny. We only take fire alarms and fire drills seriously. You only pull down the fire alarm when there is a fire, not for jokes and pranks. That's it. You are suspended for a month. I'm calling your parents.
Dark Bubble Scrubbies Bowser Jr. We can't believe you pulled down the fire alarm at school and got suspended for a month. You know that is not a very funny prank. You can go to jail for pulling down the fire alarm when there is no fire.
That is so it. You're grounded for 555 centuries.
Go upstairs to your room, go to bed, and think about what you've done.